guys, today we're gonna be unboxing. Okay, so it's hard. It's hard. Okay. I never got it open. Okay, so I got a drum, and you can adjust the camera, it says, and it's got 4 channels, LED lights, yeah. So here it is, and I'm gonna open it. It's got a hole if you wanted to put a hole on it. It's got a remote, and yeah, it's got other stuff like a camera and stuff on it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe and like for more videos. And yeah, peace.